It is time to throw away your mouth tapes and nose strips. You don't need them anymore. A study has shown that thousands of people have stopped snoring by just doing these simple throat techniques. Whether you're a loud snorer, a whistler, or rumbler, it doesn't matter. These will fix the problem. But just as exercises are unique to you, these have to be unique and catered to you. And that's what Airway Trainer app does. Answer a few questions and get a plan catered to you. Stop masking your problem with these useless devices. Come to us. Let us correct it in a few weeks the right way.